Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. It is very simple quiz. We have to solve this quiz and find out which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. Now, just recall that what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS method. Basically, these are the methods which we will use to solve the given expression. So first we have to understand what is the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. As you can see on the screen, BODMAS in BODMAS B for bracket and P for parenthesis. It means that if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After that, you have to solve the exponent part of power f any number. And after that, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so if division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. Now, let's move towards to solve the given expression. As you can see, we have this expression. So, according to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, we have to solve the first with bracket. So, we have to solve this part first in our expression. So, we will write other part as it is. And here we have 16 divided by 8, which is equal to 2 minus 3. And here we will give the reference 16 divided by 8 equals to. Now, we will move forward and find out left to right. We will go left to right because now we do not have any power. So now we will go left to right and find out division and multiplication. When we will go this series, so you will see this part we have one multiplication. So we'll move and solve this part. 14, 7 to the 14 minus 3. Now, again, we will give the reference here. So, 7 multiplied by 2 equals to 14. Now, we will move forward again left to right and see the this multiplication and division. Now, we do not have any multiplication and division. So, now we will see this subtraction first and we will solve this part first. 5 minus 14 minus 3. And here we will give the reference. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Now, here we have 5 minus 14. So, we will solve this part. So, here we will solve this one. So, we will get the answer is minus 9 minus 3. Minus 9 minus 3. And if we see this part, so here we have reference. We will give the reference which is equals to minus 9 because we have the minus 9 with the bigger number. So that's why we will write minus 9. Now we will solve this minus. We have the both terms have the minus 9. It means that you have to add both of them and but write the minus sign with them. So here we have minus 12. So the answer of the given expression is minus 12. So I hope you understand. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS rule and get the correct result. So if you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.